Let's see one more question from application of tangents and normal. Try this question. Find shortest distance between circle x square plus y square minus 24y plus 128 is equal to 0 and parabola y square is equal to 4x. इन दोनों कर्व्स के बीच का आप शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस निकालो. Now what is the concept of shortest distance? It always occur along a common normal. First of all, let's plot this circle and parabola on axis. You know how to plot the circle? Center of this circle is 0, 12 and radius is 12 square minus 128, that is root 16, which is equal to 4. सेंटर के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं 0, 12, रेडियस है 4, तो सेंटर कहाँ पे होगा? y एक्सिस के ऊपर होगा. लेट्स ड्रॉ सर्कल हैविंग सेंटर ऑन y एक्सिस somewhere here. This point is 0, 12 and y square is equal to 4x. This parabola is concave to our right hand side having vertex at origin. Okay, now we have to find shortest distance between these two curves which always occur along common normal. अब सर्कल का जो नॉर्मल है वो हमेशा कहाँ से पास होता है? उसके सेंटर से. Any line through center of circle is always normal to circle. Now for common normal, we draw a line from center of this circle which is also normal to this parabola. So let's adjust line such that line passing through center is normal to this parabola. It's like this. You draw tangent at this point to the parabola which is perpendicular to this line which is normal. So this line is normal and this line is tangent. Okay, कोई आइडिया किस तरह से निकाल सकते हैं हम इस लाइन का इक्वेशन? और इनफैक्ट शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे इसमें? कंसीडर दिस पॉइंट x1, y1 ऑन द पैराबोला. अगर हम ये पॉइंट निकाल लेते हैं, if you can find this point, then from distance formula we can find distance between 0, 12 and x1, y1, from which we will subtract radius of circle. Then it will give us shortest distance, this one. So our now task is finding the value of x1 and y1. To get that, we must have two equations in x1 and y1. What is the one equation? कहाँ से आएगा एक इक्वेशन डायरेक्टली? दिस पॉइंट lies on the parabola, hence it satisfies equation of parabola. So we have y square is equal to 4x1. Obviously दूसरा इक्वेशन कहाँ से आएगा? From slope. And how you get slope? From derivative and this 2-point form. What is the slope of this line? Normal line. Now normal line is passing through this point and this point. Then what is slope from 2-point form? That is y1 minus 12 divided by x1 minus 0. Further, एक बार आपने slope 2-point formula से निकाला और एक बार slope कैसे निकालेंगे? Curve से. How you get the slope of normal from this curve? You differentiate this curve with respect to x. Then we have 2y dash is equal to 4. Then y dash is equal to 2 upon y. Now this is slope of tangent. Then what is slope of normal at point x1, y1? That is minus y1 by 2. इसका नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल होगा. ये टेंजेंट का स्लोप है तो ये क्या होगा? नॉर्मल का स्लोप. Now this is equation number 2. Now we will solve these two equations to get x1 and y1. किसका वैल्यू निकालना आसान है? सबसे पहले we have 2y1 minus 24 is equal to minus x1 comma y1 from this second equation. Now it is simple to eliminate x1. You get the value of x1 from equation 1 in terms of y1 and put here, that is minus x1 is y1 square by 4. So this is minus y1 square by 4 multiplied by y1. This is 2y1 minus 24. So finally we have y1 cube plus 8y1 minus 96 is equal to 0. Okay, now cubic equation. How you solve cubic equation? By hit and trial method. Obviously यहाँ पे जो y1 का वैल्यू होगा वो किस तरह का होगा, even होगा. तो कौन से ऑप्शंस ट्राई कर सकते हैं? We can start with 2, but 2 is very small value to reach 96. Then we can try 4. What is 4 cube? That is 64. 8 into 4, 32. So this sum will be 96 minus 96 is 0. So by hit and trial, one root of this equation is y1 is equal to 4. How you get other roots if possible? You divide this expression by y1 minus 4. So we have this one. From this we can take out y1 square common. From this we have 4 y1 common, and from this we have 24 common. So we have y1 minus 4 as a factor. Okay, यहाँ से जो रूट्स होंगे वो क्या होंगे? इमेजिनरी. तो यहाँ से हमें कोई y1 नहीं मिलेगा. Then we have only one value of y1. y1 is equal to 4. So for this point y1 is 4. How you get x1? From the equation of parabola, you put here y1 is equal to 4, then it is 16 by 4, then x1 is 4. Now we got this point and we have already this point. तो इन दोनों points के बीच का distance क्या होगा? Suppose this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. Now what is AB distance? It is square root of 0 minus 4 square plus 12 minus 4 square. So this distance is root 16 plus 8 square. This is 64. So this is square root of 80 or 4 root 5. Now this is distance between points A and B. Then what is shortest distance? Shortest distance is BC, which is AB minus AC, which is 4 root 2 minus 4. This AC is what? Radius of this circle. So this is shortest distance. तो इस क्वेश्चन में कॉन्सेप्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉन्सेप्ट है कि शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस हमेशा दो कर्व्स के कॉमन नॉर्मल के अलोंग होगा. और यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना आसान है क्योंकि सर्कल का जो नॉर्मल है हमेशा कहाँ से पास होगा? उसके सेंटर से पास होगा. तो हम क्या करेंगे? सेंटर से एक लाइन बनाएंगे जो इस पैराबोला को भी नॉर्मल हो. ओके